Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am sharing with you the top 10 professional photo editing preset in Photoshop. If you use this preset, you can color grade your photo in just 5 seconds. So if you want to get this preset link, I request you please watching full video to get download link. So without wasting any more time, now let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, open your Photoshop and add your photo. Right now I am using this photo now. Okay, go to filter option and select camera raw. This is our basic photo editing filter. Here you can see your photo exposure option, contrast option, highlights option and shadow option. Guys, we add our photo preset so we don't need anything. You just click here and select your preset. Now our photo is ready.